I'm now going to pass the mic off to Matt and Nico, right, who will be sharing some material on their own. So let me just hop off first and invite Matt first to the stage.
My name is Matt. I'm the head of developer relations at Swirlds Labs for Hedera. So Swirlds Labs, and again, for anybody tremendously new to the ecosystem, Swirlds Labs look after the product development and the marketing services for the Hedera network. And obviously have the pleasure of interfacing with our wonderful community that have supported us on this journey so far. For the developer relations team that I look after, we're based underneath the marketing department over here in Swirlds Labs. And we basically have the remit of looking after the developer lifecycle. So anybody that's looking to find out about Hedera, looking to build on Hedera, or learning how to build on Hedera, and to do that really successfully. And it's our sort of place to make sure that we support you through that journey and have the right programs and experiences in place to make sure that you are successful when you come over to the network. We all know that obviously Hedera has some great technology to build on and already has some amazing success stories out there. Even this year, we've kind of blazed through so much good news, almost too much to cover, but we're doing fantastic work out there in the space right now with use cases like HBAR. Even today, there was some news coming out from Red Swan around the tokenization of real estate, from MTech about the work they're doing with the Western African Monetary Institute. I desperately wanted a G in that acronym so we could have WAGMI as well, but it was some great news coming out. So that's just me in a nutshell, and the developer relations team in a nutshell as well. Jackie, did you want me to touch on, a little bit about why the hackathon and where that sits as well? Is that something you want me to cover right now?
Maybe in a bit, yeah.
Yeah, in a bit. So I'll let Niko jump in and give an intro too.
Thanks, Matt. So hello everyone, my name's Niko. So I lead ecosystem acceleration at the HBAR Foundation. So I'll explain a little bit about myself, then about the HBAR Foundation. So a bit about me. I started my career in TradFi, but like you all, I couldn't resist the mysterious and largely unexplored world of Web3. I find it so exciting. It's like a new world, and we're building from the ground up. So it's like we've discovered a new country, and we're starting a new society. So I find it really, really exciting. And I often tell people that I've got the best job in the world. I get to speak to founders all day. I get to be part of their building journey. And whether that's on a one-to-one basis or a more amplified basis like this, I wake up every day and cannot wait to speak to founders to see what they're up to. So a bit about us, the HBAR Foundation. We exist to commercialize activity on the Hedera network, and we provide three types of help: funding, marketing support, and technical advice. We've given over 200 grants since we started about 18 months ago, and that amounts to more than 400 million US dollars. So we work with a wide range of grantees, from startups to large institutions, and even some of our governing council members, which you will have seen the likes of, Ubisoft, Google, Dell, IBM, a number of banks, and many more. And broadly, we have four funds that we kind of give grants from. So first of all, crypto economy. So think anything about tokenization, DeFi, DEXs, wallets, and staking. Secondly, consumer engagement, where loyalty is the backbone of this fund. And we also have many gaming dApps that take advantage of the Hedera lightning fast transactions. Fintech and payments, this is where traditional fintech intersects with Web3. And we're doing some really exciting work here with some big financial players and banks in the space. And finally, sustainability. So using Web3 to bring trust and transparency to global carbon markets and other sustainability related fields. So our strategy is simple. We want to empower as many people as we can to build on Hedera. And it's all tied back to education. So in this modern digital world, education has many faces, videos, static content, things like this, building and experimentation, and the list is endless. So we need to leverage all these types to build a vast and rich ecosystem. So that's a bit about me and a bit about the foundation. I'm going to talk a little bit about, in fact, maybe not, maybe I won't do it now, but I was going to speak about what's going to come after the hackathon, which will be the incubator. So maybe Tribe guys or AngelHack guys, do you think I should talk about this now or wait afterwards?
Yes, please.
Okay. Cool. So after this, we're going to be hosting an incubator. We're going to be taking 10 to 15 teams through an incubation program, and it's really exciting. It's you know, you're going to learn so much, and 5 projects in the end will each be awarded $80,000 as a grant with the HBAR Foundation. So this is a really, really exciting opportunity to get some funding, and you know, opportunities like this in the hackathon, it's a great opportunity to meet team members, to learn about not only technology, but all facets of running a business. And we've been, you know, we've had an amazing time with Tribe working through the curriculum, and you'll see things like, you know, accounting, finance, mindset, psychology, strategy. So it really isn't just technical. It's really the broad skill set that you need to run a business. And I personally think it's such an amazing opportunity to get involved and to start building something, because you'll have access to, you know, world-class mentors, extremely smart advisors, and you know, some really, really top-shelf content put together by the Tribe team. So that's all I'll say for now. We're going to have loads and loads more content about the incubator coming up. But I'm personally very, very excited about this hackathon, and yeah, can't wait to see what you guys come up with. So let's get excited.